off marrying his first cousin. That'd be weird if I found out that Judy was actually my first cousin. Ew! But who even cares, because now I can audition to be the local news reporter! Fred Figglehorn in small-town America reporting on all the stories that deserve to be heard. This is actually the exact playground where just 2 months ago, an old man suffered from a massive heart attack. Are you guys aware that just 2 months ago a guy died here? His ghost could be lingering around us right now.
We can't currently talk about that.
Oh, so what can you talk about, huh, sir?
Many things.
What can you talk about? Book theft isn't running rampant in this town, so let's go investigate it. Come on. Hey, ma'am, did you buy those books?
No, I didn't buy them.
Oh, she didn't buy the book. She's a book thief. Come back here, lady. You have to buy those books.
Leave me alone. No. She didn't. Stop.
So, how does it make you feel knowing that people are stealing books from the local library when you're supposed to be guarding the town?
As far as I know, none of that's taken place.
Really? Because we just caught a girl on tape walking out of the library claiming she was renting the books.
I think that's pretty much what you do there, is you rent the books.
Alien abduction is a serious topic in my town, and I have someone here who claims that they have been abducted by real-life aliens. What did those alien creatures do to you?
They took me to their mothership, ran some tests, then they probed me.
At this point, I can neither confirm nor deny that that's occurring.
You disgust me. Are you guys just gonna sit there and do nothing? Innocent children of this town are getting probed by aliens! Crime caught live with Fred Figglehorn. Lady, you realize you're jaywalking. Stay on the road. Stay on the road. You have to face your consequences. You are aware that people are jaywalking in front of your police station 24/7, getting in front of traffic, almost risking people's lives.
We currently have a jaywalking sting taking place in town, so I can not talk about that either.
Is there a possibility that you could pass a law that require all girls named Judy to like guys named Fred?
You're going to have to contact your senator on that one.
Well, you're useless. Will any of these criminals be brought to court? Probably not. But the Fred Figglehorn of Justice will always be watching. Watch out, America! Figglehorn News 24/7.